Guys, Shopee made me change this skin to this one. Alright, so now we should just... No, we're gonna go with random. That went to random for a long time though. Gosh. Help me. Wait, teleporter! Teleport this nice guy. Bam! Need a Tomo too. Ah, no, he's gonna be the first. No, I'm gonna get trapped. Trap. No! My did you guys saw that? I hit the Tronic Death Run's own butt. Or I guess, blue baby. Holy moly! Guacamole! Oh! Okay, that was epic. Not that epic. One shave! Jeez, I'm getting noises and dogs in it. My ears hurt. Friggin' phone died, bruh. Garbage too! Should we just film the video while the dogs are shouting, guys? Do you think I should do that? If my phone dies right now, it's all the dogs flipping fall. It's because they did. Ah! This is the part where Lucy went full god mode. This is Boomer, also known as Doomer. Ah! Oh my flipping gosh! And I'm also green, so I change it because I don't want to be always blue. So mess with me, fart head. No. Literally, I'm hearing the dogs shouting. Run away! Yes, I want. Yes, I just said weird. I just said something flippy. Did you guys hear that? Then watch the other part. No! Boomer, you're flipping G. Right, guys? Boomer, he's G. Pet Simulator video is kind of about to be almost got canceled last time. Our thing finally works again. So last time our thing didn't flipping work. So now it's flipping work. Yay! Rah! Boomer is so tough, especially when you guys fight Luffy when he's at low health. He's gonna wreck you like this Boomer dude. Ah! Cha! Look, he's tough! I swear! I bet I'm gonna lose. I swear, he's weighing full guard. Oh, it ended if I get 6 points, or anyone gets 6 points. Last time, no, we didn't did it last time, we were 4 points. Let's change it! Yeah! I'm not playing on easy mode, like, you guys don't know why is it so easy. I've been practicing, because my commenters keep yelling me noob, so I'm just practicing. I don't watch tutorials. So there's a fun fact about me that I don't watch tutorials. Like, do you guys not watch tutorials? I bet like a lot of people. Ah! Boomer, why? Ah! Oh my god. If it wasn't for, we're at a no safe, no Atronic Death Run. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, Atronic. Atronic is his name anyway. Atronic Death Run. Boo-boo baby, come on. Don't run away. Like Safeguard. Boomer is hiding like me nowadays. I now coming into the duel. I don't like run away or stay in the same spot. Now I'm a complete flipping pro. Unlike last time with the no chase with please. Oh my flipping. Should we do a survival? Yep. No. Just kidding. We're not gonna do a survival. No! I'm gonna flipping die this time. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna flipping. Haha! I trick him. Oh, this is like civilizations of my farts again. The Tronic Death Run, he's more stronger than. Guys, did you notice that the Tronic Death Run actually surpassed Panda Bear, and then I surpass Boomer. Okay. Oh, flipping out! Final round! Fight! Oh, you wanna mess with me? Wanna mess with me? Wanna mess with me? Explosions of Just like a civilization. Explosion of death. Destruction of death. Destruction of jump! Also known as disaster of jump. I keep calling it, it has two names. Distraction of jump or destruction of jump. Disaster of jump is what I usually call it. You guys call it distraction of jump. Not me. Not you guys can call it whatever name you want if you want. So. Distraction of jump. Also known as disaster of jump. Flipping! Why? I'm gonna lose. You surpass Panda Bear, huh? But you cannot surpass me. Yes! Dog shouts anyway.